I was sitting in this position, you know, with the legs crossed in my cell. I was listening to the radio, and then I was also talking to my lawyer on my cell. He was like, yo, I think this is it. And I was like, okay, I'm gonna put my clothes on, and I hung up. And as immediately as I hung up, it was like an earthquake because it came over the radio, and everyone in the prison was listening. And they hold the bars and shake it. Just imagine 2,000 people shaking the bars all over. So it was rumbling. That's when I knew, like, yeah, this is it. I mean, it was a tear-jerking moment, man. Trust me, tears, man. Tears.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tea Time with T. In today's video, we'll look at the return of VYBZ KARTEL after 13 years in prison, as the dancehall king reclaims his throne and made hits behind bars interview with the Billboard channel. We're also gonna look into Antifuta. He was complaining that Bounty Killer Nuffy cussed VYBZ KARTEL for not performing on his show Bounty and Friends the other night. But listening to this interview with VYBZ KARTEL, well, this was before, because you can tell by the hairstyle, his voice sound hoarse. So maybe I fight it for do Freedom Street, and maybe in voice never. So I remember say you have thyroids, you know, what come with the Graves disease. So if him do a show for 3 hours, and mother say 4, because I remember saying him perform in between with the other artists, them probably in voice did sick. But stay tuned, we're gonna get into the nitty-gritty of all of these videos. But before we do, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the latest updates. If this is your first time here, leave a comment, like the video, and share. Check this out.
I was sitting in this position, you know, with the legs crossed in my cell. I was listening to the radio, and then I was also talking to my lawyer on my cell, in my cell. Get it? Yes.
It's that wordplay.
Yeah. He was like, yo, I think this is it. And I was like, okay, I'm gonna put my clothes on, and I hung up. And as immediately as I hung up, it was like an earthquake because it came over the radio, and everyone in the prison was listening. When they hold the bars and shake it, just imagine 2,000 people shaking the bars all over. So it was rumbling. That's when I knew, like, yeah, this is it. Put my clothes on, jumped up, boom. They came for me, packed, and left. Matter of fact, I didn't even bring anything.
Yeah.
I left everything, yeah, because, you know, they have guys there. So it gives sneakers and stuff, my TVs, just give it away, and left.
Wow.
Yeah, man. That's how when I came out, if you know, I don't have anything in my hand.
Yeah, I see the videos.
So VYBZ KARTEL was asked, you know, other questions like, what did it feel like to embrace his mother for the first time in 13 years? You know, that's where he said that's where he went, and he ate steamed fish at his mother's house. That's the first house he went. And, you know, they asked him how he felt, and he said he cried tears of joy. And, you know, then he hinted about getting his US visa back. He said he sent in the documents, and they're just waiting on, you know, approval, because he has a nomination for the Grammys, and he said he also has a show in Germany and UK coming up this year, later on this year. So I tried to upload more pieces of the interview, but, you know, copyright Billboard, so I had to take it down and re-edit it. But yes, guys, if you know, if he gets to go to America, that would be great. But leave your comments down below about your thoughts, and check out this next clip. For the people who are in UK and USA, are you excited to see VYBZ KARTEL perform his songs live? 13 years out of prison, finally going abroad other than the Caribbean? Let me know down below. On to the next topic. I want Bounty Killer not to be upset with VYBZ KARTEL for not performing at his show. We don't know the reason why he didn't. He was in the crowd. He left, you know, briefly. I mean, VYBZ KARTEL went to his grandmother's funeral. He was up and down doing much interview, and you know, after the concert, he must be tired. Concert, funeral, interview, he must be tired. So he wasn't able I'm assuming it's because he's sick for true. But Foota, take it upon himself to try to make people have a cartel by saying, oh, Bounty no feel lick him. Even last night, Mr. Bounty Keller comment under Vibes got a picture when he post. So if you were upset, obviously, you wouldn't have made that comment and big up cartel. But anyway, check this out. This is what Foota had to say.
Bounty Killer, Rodney Price, Miss Ivy last son, Foota hype this. Want you listen to me, Zine? Want you listen to me? You know you're way more mature now, and you're dealing things on a big man level, Zine? You have all right to vex and upset. But me I beg you, don't beat Cartel through him cut last night. Rodney Price, please, don't beat Cartel because him cut last night. Then, me I beg you, because by right, you have all the right to be mad and be angry. But more you keep this in mind, Cartel is not at him full strength. Where health is concerned, Cartel is not 100%. Him dead from early. Remember, we don't know what kind of energy shot or what kind of booster them give him to stay so long on Freedom Street for the whole time where the show go on. Me not think him done rest yet. Me not think him done recoup all him little energy where him fi have, and him still come out of your show. Me understand say if I even touch him mic and big up Killer and Ray, you should have do. But we still have to see with him. Cause him dead from early. Zine? So the whole world are crucifying when me looking at my DM full of cuss Cartel. That's why I know say people are wicked. The same mouth say yes, and them say no. Zine? So, me I beg you, Rodney Price. Remember, me is a war man, me is a aggressor. Me is a man where love war and we not forgive when people ramp with it. But, please forgive Cartel for leaving. You don't know why him leave. Probably him burn out, probably him drain out, probably him could have gone more. You understand me I say? Probably the hours where the performance them start and them thing that probably might get tired and weak and have to cut. You understand me I say? So, please, Alliance fans, Bounty Killer fans, give Cartel a pass. It would have been historic and it would have been so great if him did touch his stage. Zine? But we can give him a pass. You understand what I say? Please. People remember me I say Gaza. Remember FHM Straight Nation me say. Zine, remember me send the gully on the map. But I know that we are deal with fairness and we are deal with positive thinking. You understand me I say? So me I beg you Killer, me know you stay. You're a man where you pre things and you're a jealous general. Cause you want people to show you the same respect where you show them. You understand me I say? And me know you're good at Bex because of that are the bigger look. Because when we are talking about alliance, Cartel are one of the key components in our alliance. Elephant are one of the key components. Movado, Busy Signal, Baby Sham. You know me I say? Foota Hype, Wayne Marshall, Bling Dog. We know the usual suspects. You see me? So me I beg you Killer. I could blame it upon the Graves disease. I could blame it upon say him a run off of fumes because him sure, him go funeral, them say him up and down. And you know him a drink and a smoke when him not fi drink and smoke, so probably him just tired. We don't know if him did need a bathroom break or, you know me I say, we don't know. So me I say, to all the people them a cuss, and to all people feel like him betray you cause him not touch the stage, don't pray that way, the kid. Don't pray that way. Don't pray that way. The fact say him come out early and him did it from early and him a whole of vibes from early. Me think the show run look late-ish. Me just feel like say him could have gone more and him leave. You see me? Some people are say actually busy and assassin make him cut. I don't think so. Cause him would go in at the first place. Cause him know say busy I got there. Him know say assassin I got there. Him know Sprague I got there. Him know everybody we I got there. Him know Bling Dog and Marshall I got there. You understand? Me now rule out if them have no problem, cause I never put Bling on him show, nor Marshall, but under that me I say the fact say him forward. You see me? The fact say him forward and him did there, we have to give him the benefit of the doubt. You understand what I say? And say yes, him did forward. My youth, you can't say people make a big deal out of nothing. Don't say that. Bounty killer run from over UDC car park. 1,000 police a fight. Killer from going a cartel show. Killer take all like disrespect them. Cause you don't know what going on, you know. Remember say, the police them style killer out of the gate too, you know. And killer take, remember killer a madman, you know. And killer take a disrespect and go in to go represent for cartel. So don't tell me about people that make big thing out of nothing. It's not out of nothing. It is expected for cartel to grace the stage with Bounty Killer and friends. It is expected. But we are say me no want killer really hold him. We not hold him say him style with. You understand me I say? So don't say is making something out of nothing. It's a big thing. You understand? And if we are tit for tat, we are going to preach a cartel should I sing, but we have to look upon the reality and be honest. Him is a sick man.
You can always leave your thoughts below, but that's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the latest updates, and I'll see you next time. Bye, and share this video.